So I was looking for a vacuum cleaner and I found this one. And what made me choose this one is that I have a lot of options, but this one was a great deal and it had great reviews. And it's also having a lot of features. I did use it the past couple of days to see how it works. And it's fairly so easy to install. So in the box, you're gonna have your cleaning brushes that you have to install. And it's really easy to mount. It's just you have to clip it. So the way you're gonna do it is just get your vacuum, turn it upside down. You're seeing these clips here. Just get it out and install it. Let's put the other one. That's it. Now turn it upside down. You're having an extra of 2. And in the box, you're also going to have your remote. It's also coming with an app, but this is really handy whenever you don't have your phone near you. You're also going to have dust filter that is coming in handy as well. So the way it works is it's really easy. Just open the back, and this is your garbage box, so to speak. Just take it out. As you can see, you're having the filter here in the back, and just open it and remove whatever you have to remove. Mine is dirty because I used it this couple of days. Put it back. And also in the box, you're gonna have your charging station, which is really easy. Just plug it in, and you don't need any additional steps. So, and the way it works is you're gonna have an app as well. Just turn it on this side. Just put it down. Let me make some room here. So I'm not gonna show you through the app because I'm filming right now. And the way it works is, let's say for example, I'm just gonna leave it on auto. And as you can see, it's already start cleaning. And you have a lot of options here. I'm just gonna stop it for now. So the way it works, it's really easy. You're gonna have the same functions through the app. I'm using the remote because I'm filming right now. So you're gonna have your power button, you're gonna have your home button, which is basically you're gonna go to its charging point by itself. You're gonna have your automatic mode if you wanna move it forward or backwards or left or right. And this is really cool because it's so responsive, as you can see. Also, you're gonna have 3 modes. You're gonna have your auto mode, which I'm using most of the time. You're gonna have your spot mode that is gonna clean the whole spot. You're gonna have your edge, which is gonna go through all of the edges of the room. So I'm just gonna leave it on automatically to show you guys how it works. And as you can see, it's not that loud. And basically what it's gonna do, it's gonna go by itself and just clean the whole room. As you can see, it doesn't hit any spots. So, and also it doesn't have any problems with the carpet. So I'm just gonna press the home button, and when I'm pressing the home button here, it will go by itself into the charging point. And as you can see, it slowed down, and that's it. And now it's charging. It's a really cool robot to have in your house, and it does help a lot.
Okay, this is the second robot vacuum cleaner that I bought from this brand, because the first one was just perfect and I used it in one floor, so I need another one to use in other floor. This vacuum comes in this box, and the box brings, of course, the vacuum itself. It also brings a remote control to use it manually, a wall charger, 2 pair of brushes. You can also find this charging station that the vacuum used to charge itself. It also brings a additional filter and a tool to clean the vacuum. Of course, it brings a user manual and an app instruction because you can download an app to control the vacuum easily with your phone. The vacuum has a really good design. At the top, you can find these 2 buttons. The first one is to start the auto cleaning mode, and the second one is to use it when the battery is running out, so the vacuum will return to the charging station. Here you can find the dust collector that has a really good size. As you can see, it's bring this outside filter and an internal filter too. This one you can easily remove it and cleaning it with water. In this size you can find the switch to turn on and off the vacuum and a charging port to use with the regular charger. The maximum height this vacuum can go through it's 16 millimeters, so I don't recommend it using it with big carpets or on any carpet at all, because most of them are really big, really high, and the vacuum cleaner will get stuck. Some people say that the vacuum doesn't work on some spaces, but that's probably because they didn't read the manual before they use the vacuum to see what can and what cannot the vacuum do. If you're using it in spaces that comply with all the manual recommendations, this robot vacuum cleaner is just a perfect helper to keep your home clean. So I totally recommend it.